Welcome to our guide on mastering spray control in Counter-Strike 2. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, understanding spray control can elevate your gameplay. Let's dive in. Each weapon in Counter-Strike 2 has a unique spray pattern. Let's break down these patterns and see how they affect your shooting. Good crosshair placement is key to success. Always aim where you expect your opponents to be, maximizing your chances of hitting your shots. Practice is crucial for mastering spray control. Use aim training maps to refine your skills and become more accurate. By breaking down the spray pattern, you can learn how to counter it effectively. Predict where your shots will land to adjust your aim. Burst firing can help maintain accuracy when spraying. Learn when to fire in bursts for maximum impact. Movement plays a significant role in your ability to shoot accurately. Master the art of strafing while aiming to throw off your enemy's shots. Good audio cues can give you an edge. Learn to listen for enemy footsteps and other sounds to anticipate opponent movements. Consistency is key. Make practice a regular habit, and keep track of your progress to see where you can improve. Mastering spray control takes time and dedication. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and watch yourself become a better player in Counter-Strike 2.